Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to do another unboxing, and this time we are going to unbox the Cohorted beauty box for the month of July. So if you are interested to see what is it inside, then just keep watching. First of all, I want to let you know, maybe you noticed that I have a mic. I have a new mic because I was having previously a mic which was sounding horrible. So my hubby got me this as a birthday present because today when I'm filming is my birthday and I have this mic. I tested and I found that the sound is better. So I hope from all my heart that when I will download this video, the sound won't be a total crap. So bear with me, and if it will be so, I just apologize, but I think I will not be able to refilm this again. This beauty box, it's a UK beauty subscription, and I used to be subscribed on this box last year. However, I paused it and then I stopped this subscription because I thought it is a bit too expensive for me, and also they've increased the price throughout 2019. I think they increased it with £5 first, and then they increased the price of the shipping. So I thought it doesn't worth the actual money to get, because not all the products were on my taste. However, this box is amazing. So I have found that all the products inside, I'm loving them. I received it last week, but I was not able to film because I have relatives in visit, so they are my husband's parents, that we have them for more than 1 week. However, today, because I applied my makeup and I was ready to go out with my girlfriends for a cocktail, I said that I will sit down and I will give it a short video to this box. So this box, I did not purchase it with my own money. I received it as a present from a lovely friend from UK. I want to thank her for thinking on me. So I did not resubscribed back to Cohorted. If you are some of my older viewers and you remember what I said on my last unboxing, Cohorted is a beauty subscription that is more oriented on high-end luxury products. So I will have all the information linked down below on the description box. This is the nice sleek box. I remember I was receiving this box on this format, I think in September, when it was my last box. I will post it here somewhere on the screen. And I opened it and sterilized it last week, so that's why I know. This is what we have here inside. So we have a booklet that is like a magazine. So we have here all the information about the products inside, including their prices and a lot of description. Those are all the products. This is their July Summer Essentials Edit 2020. Let's start with the first product from the box, and this is by B.Tan. You Glow Girl Gradual Tan Mist that retails for £12.99. I will put all the prices here on the screen in case that I might misspell a price, but we do get here 100 mils. And this is a Gradual Glow Tan Mist. So this is like a full-size product. So I'm really chuffed about this because I wanted to have another self-tan spraying lotion, because I just don't like to use lotions. I can stand the smell. So I hope this it will work, but I will keep you posted about this product. The next product is also by B.Tan. Hold on. Okay, is this product, and this Tanner AF body oil. So this retails for £14.99. So they say that it's infused with 7 skin loving oil. Ah, okay, so this is like a tan booster. It's not a self tan. This ultra moisturizing tanning body oil, it's made with a tan accelerating actives for a faster, darker tan than ever before. The actives speed up the tanning process, which makes less time in the sun, but it also allows your skin to stay hydrated AF whilst getting tan AF. and it contains coconut, argan, avocado, rose hip, macadamia, and jojoba and grape seeds oil. So this is a tan accelerating product and not a actual tan gradual lotion as I thought. Unfortunately, I'm not sure that we will go to the seaside this year. The initial plans have been changed because of the not so clear situation on Greece, and probably we will refrain ourselves for going, but I will keep it for next year, I hope. The third product is by Jorgobe or Jorgobe. I don't know exactly how to spell this, but I remember we've got last year another product from this brand, and this is a Niacinamide Serum that it contains 50 ml. And by the way, guys, all the products that I've shown you till now, they are for sure full-size products, including this one. So this is how it looks like. The key ingredients on this serum are evens out the skin texture, reduces pigments, spots and blushing, tightens skin, minimizes pores and protects and soothes the skin. So it should be applied morning and evening on clean skin. Next product is from a brand that I never heard about, and I believe this is a deluxe size version, and this is by Simone, Paris. Botanical Milk. This is a makeup remover that it contains 40 ml of product. So yeah, really happy about that because I actually don't have any cream makeup remover in my stash. Next product that I was really interested when I saw it. So you see this box? I thought it's an eyeshadow palette, but no. Let me open it to see what is it inside. Ta-da! So here we have 5 little samples of perfumes from the brand London Poppy, or maybe let's see what is the brand name, because this is by the brand Floral Street, and this their mini discovery fragrance set retails for £18. So we have here 5 little perfumes, and this is exclusive to only Cohorted subscribers. I will just try. This is London Poppy. We have 5 fragrances: London Poppy, Wonderland Peony, Electric Rhubarb, Neon Rose, and Arizona Bloom. Each of them contains 1.5 ml. Okay, I will try to see how the middle one, Electric Rhubarb, smells like. I'm not wearing any perfume. It's a little bit fresh, but it's a nice fragrance. It's really, how to say, subtle, but in the meantime it has a pleasant note to it. So yeah, like it. The next product is by a brand that I was really loving it to get a makeup product from them, and this is by Marc Jacobs. So this is a eyeliner. Okay, so it's a mechanical. Oh, I thought that is the sharpened one. So this is in black, and I heard really good things about the Marc Jacobs eyeliners. I heard that they are lasting a lot on your waterline. So look here, I have on the leaflet Marc Jacobs Le Marc Lip Creme Mini retails £12.50. So I think they even misplaced it, or I don't know what happened, but I would have loved to get this lipstick instead. I'm not mad about lip liner, but look guys, this packaging. But anyway, I'm really excited because this is my first Marc Jacobs makeup product. Okay, the next product is by Huda Beauty. So this is a eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure if I will be using this or I will put it for a giveaway because I have so many palettes on this shade. So this is their Coral Obsession eyeshadow palette. So I will just pop it out to see how the shades look like. I did not test it before, so I did not open it. It will be with you on camera for the first time. Ooh, look at those shades, guys. I don't know. I really don't know if I should keep it or not. But I think that I have those shades already on other palettes. I think that I have some of the shades on the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. So, what do you say? Please let me know in your comments down below if I should keep this palette or I should give it to someone who will love it and give it more attention that I will potentially do it. So, yeah. The Coral Obsession eyeshadow palette retails for £25, but the quality of the mini palettes from Huda Beauty, it's outstanding. I have their Topaz Obsession, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and if I will keep it, it will be the second mini palette I have. Okay, so the next product, I suppose this is a bonus because I was not able to find it on my leaflet, is by Kali, and this is a perfume sample, another perfume. So this was the month of perfumes, and this is coming handy because I do not have so many perfumes, but this is definitely more sweet because it contains gardenia, jasmine absolute, orange flower, this is a fragrance that I really love, tuberose infusion, and Tahitian vanilla. Oh, okay, we have only 2 products left, but I was only able to find on the leaflet only one of them, so I suppose the other one is a bonus. This product is also by Simone, and this Botanical toner. Okay, so we have the makeup remover, and then we have the Botanical toner that retails also for £8. The last product that I see on this beauty box is by Nails Inc. London, and as I told you, I was not able to find this product on the leaflet, so I suppose it is a gift also, and is a glittery shade, and this is a full-size product because it contains 14 mils of product, so it's really lovely. It's really lovely. Actually, yeah, I think it's working with my nail polish. I don't want to swatch it, maybe just a bit. Really lovely glitter, so I would love to apply this on the top of my nail polishes if I will like to do like a accent nails. Those are all the products that I've got. I want to thank again to my friend from UK who sent this. She is not a YouTuber. Please let me know in your comments down below if you are getting Cohorted or if you are planning to get this subscription. I want to tell you that if you live in UK, it's more suitable for you because I believe in UK you have free shipping. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and also you can follow me on my Insta, that is always linked down below. If you are interested about the makeup that I'm wearing, today I'm wearing the Natasha Denona bronze palette that I also got it last week, so stay tuned because a makeup tutorial with this palette will come up soon on my channel. But other than that, I want to wish you all to have a great, blessed day ahead, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!